This week in Earthquakes Around Australia, we're going to look at the state of earthquakes in the state of Queensland. The largest earthquake on record in Queensland occurred 106 years ago this week, a magnitude 6.0 on the 6th of June 1918. It occurred offshore east of Gladstone. The Seismology Research Centre started analysing earthquake data for Queensland in 2001. Here's a map showing earthquakes in Queensland from the Geoscience Australia catalogue up until 2001 and the earthquakes from the SRC catalogue since then. So the Seismology Research Centre was engaged to analyse the earthquake data for the Queensland coast for about 10 years, but now we only operate a small network near Gladstone. The second largest earthquake in Queensland was magnitude 5.8, and that only happened a few years ago in 2016. Again, that was an offshore earthquake near Bowen, and that was followed by many aftershocks, including a magnitude 5 in 2020. In recent years, most of the earthquake news has been coming out of Victoria, so you'd be forgiven for thinking that that's where most of the big earthquakes are happening. But in fact, of the eastern states over the last 10 years, Queensland has had 6 magnitude 5 plus earthquakes. And of the other eastern states, there are only 2 earthquakes over magnitude 5, both in Victoria. If you've been watching this series for the last few weeks, you can probably guess which state we're going to look at next week, so tune in and see if you're right.